Don't be complacent. Colon cancer could be growing in your body right now without any symptoms. This is no idle warning. It's a real silent killer, and it strikes when we least expect it. The 1.9 million new cases worldwide each year are a testament to its dangers. Why is it so dangerous? Because we're too busy to listen. We ignore the small changes, the signs our bodies are trying to signal, and think they're not important. Fortunately, we still have time to change that. Early detection is the most powerful weapon. The chances of successful treatment and survival are not just increasing, but increasing dramatically. So stop for a moment. The most practical thing you can do is to equip yourself with knowledge about the 11 early warning signs of colon cancer. Watch this video to learn how to spot them. Knowing these signs could mean the difference between life and death. In today's video, we'll explore 11 key symptoms of colorectal cancer. This isn't just a list. It's a roadmap to help you understand what your body is trying to tell you. From small changes in your daily routine to vague feelings of discomfort, they can all be important pieces of the puzzle. By equipping yourself with this knowledge, you're empowering yourself to take control of your health, to seek medical help when it really makes a difference. Health is priceless, and protecting it starts with understanding. Let's dive in now. We'll count down from the rarest symptoms to the most common. Follow along with me. Sign 11. Acquired hypertrichosis lanuginosa acquisita, HLA. Our first clue isn't in the belly, but in the most unexpected place. All over the body. Imagine one day, you notice a layer of soft, silky, colorless hair, identical to a newborn's lanugo, starting to cover your face, neck, and arms. It doesn't itch, it doesn't hurt. It just appears and grows strangely. You might wonder, what's going on with my body? This is acquired hypertrichosis lanuginosa acquisita, HLA, an extremely rare paracancerous syndrome. Think of the tumor as a rebel command center. It takes control and starts sending out chemical signals, hormones, and growth factors throughout the body. These signals hack into dormant hair follicles and command them to wake up and grow abnormally. Your skin, unconsciously, is reflecting the chaos from deep within. This is a distant alarm, an SO signal that the body is trying to send through the skin. Sign 10. Malignant acanthosis nigricans. From growth, we come to transformation. Check the skin folds, the back of the neck, under the arms, the groin. Do you notice dark, thickened patches of skin that feel like velvet? You might think, I must have gained weight, or I'm not cleaning well. But if these patches appear suddenly, spread rapidly, and are darker than normal, it could be acanthosis nigricans. Once again, that rebel command center is the culprit. It releases epidermal growth factors, which act like chemical fertilizers, causing the skin cells in these sensitive areas to proliferate like crazy, creating both thickness and dark pigmentation. This isn't just a blemish, it's a structural change in the skin from within, a sign that a chemical war is raging inside your body. A change in color and texture is one thing. But what if your skin suddenly becomes a land for hundreds of foreign objects to grow at the same time? That is sign number 9. Sign 9. The lesser trellet sign. Imagine your back and chest, which used to have only a few moles, suddenly becoming the site of dozens or hundreds of rough brown spots, like melted chocolate. They grow rapidly and are often extremely itchy. This is the lesser trellet sign. Unlike the usual age spots that appear gradually with age, this is a rain of lesions. Scientists believe that cytokines and growth factors secreted by the tumor create a perfect storm, stimulating the old keratinocytes to explode in an organized way. It's like an invisible conductor ordering an entire orchestra to play at the same time. The alarms on the skin are signals from afar. But now, let's go to the epicenter, where the tumor leaves its first physical traces that you can feel and see. Not on the skin, but in the final product of the digestive process. Sign 8. Pencil flat stool watch. This is a simple act but can provide an invaluable clue. Has your stool changed shape recently? Has it become thinner, flatter, as if someone has deliberately shaped it into a pencil or a flat noodle? Don't take this lightly. This is the most obvious mechanical evidence. Think of a tumor as a protruding rock in a muddy stream. The flow of water passing over the rock will be compressed and deformed. Similarly, a tumor in the colon, especially at the end, will act as a mold that compresses the stool as it passes. The thinner the stool, the greater the degree of narrowing of the bowel. A change in the shape of the stool indicates that the tumor is obstructing the passage. But the danger lies not only in the blocking, but also in the leakage, a silent leak that is draining your vitality every day. Find out in the next clue. Sign 7. Unexplained anemia. Do you feel like you're breathing through a thick sheet? Does climbing a few flights of stairs leave your heart pounding and your breath coming in gasps? You might blame it on a stressful job, but the truth may be more complicated. This is a classic symptom of anemia. The mechanism of anemia in colon cancer is extremely sophisticated. The surface of the tumor is a tangle of fragile blood vessels. Every day, a tiny, invisible amount of blood leaks into the bowel. Think of it like a leaky faucet. Just a few drops a day, you don't notice. But after months, your water bill skyrockets. Similarly, your body loses iron, the main ingredient for making hemoglobin, the truck that carries oxygen. Your bone marrow, no matter how hard it tries, can't produce enough trucks without the raw material. The result, your entire body goes into an oxygen crisis. Your body loses blood and lacks oxygen. But this invisible thief has another way of draining your resources, one that the mirror and scale will most clearly reveal. Sign 6. Unexplained weight loss. You step on the scale and are surprised to see that you have lost a few pounds without dieting or exercising. This is great, you think. But be careful, this can be a dangerous joy. This weight loss, medically known as cancer cachexia, is not simply a loss of fat. The tumor is a greedy energy consumer. It acts like a black hole, sucking up all the calories you take in. Worse, it also secretes toxins that cause inflammation, disrupting the body's metabolism, making you lose your appetite and forcing the body to cannibalize itself, breaking down muscle tissue to get energy to live. You are not only thinner, but also weaker. This is a systemic sign that the internal battle is in a very stressful stage, when the body is depleted of iron, energy, and muscle mass. The inevitable consequences will cover every moment of your day, turning life into a burden. That's sign #5. Sign 5. Extreme fatigue or weakness. This isn't just any tiredness. This is a wall of exhaustion. You sleep for 8 hours, but wake up feeling like you haven't slept. Activities you once loved are now a burden. Imagine this, your body is a country. Anemia means the transportation system is paralyzed. Weight loss means the national food supply is depleted. And the tumor is a never-ending civil war. In that state, the country has no energy for any construction or development. All resources are focused on the war. Extreme fatigue is a reflection of that state. It is a sign that the war has been going on for a long time and your body is gradually exhausted. This generalized exhaustion stems from a local problem. Now go back to the scene, listen for a very specific feeling. A feeling of incompleteness, right in the lower abdomen. Sign 4. Tenesmus. You just finished going to the toilet. Intellectually, you know you're done. But your body says, no, there's a pressure, an uncomfortable urge, as if something is stuck. This is a tragically deceptive nerve signal. When the tumor is in the rectum, it takes up space and constantly stimulates pressure receptors in the intestinal wall. These receptors send a false emergency signal to the brain. Alarm! The rectum is still full. Your brain, against your will, responds by creating the urge to defecate, tenesmus. It's a vicious and exhausting cycle, a testament to the fact that there's an imposter occupying the lower part of your digestive tract. The stuck feeling is only part of the discomfort. It's often a prelude to a more chaotic symphony of pain throughout the abdomen. Clue number 3 explains that. Sign 3. Persistent abdominal discomfort. Do you often experience bloating, gas, or cramping that has nothing to do with meals? Do you feel a dull, not so severe pain that lingers day after day in the same spot? Try to differentiate it from regular indigestion. Colon cancer pain is persistent and unreasonable. It can be caused by a number of things: a partial blockage that traps gas and fluid, spasms of the intestines as they try to push stool through a narrowing, or the tumor itself invading, causing inflammation and irritating pain nerves. This persistent abdominal discomfort is the background noise of the battle, a constant reminder that something is wrong. Discomfort is a feeling, but sometimes the body provides undeniable evidence, a color that you should never ignore in the toilet. That's the final clue before we wrap up. Sign 2. Blood in the stool. This is where our investigation gets tangible evidence. Seeing blood in the stool can be shocking, but it is also a very important message. Be a good investigator and observe. It's color. Bright red blood, like red ink on a white page. It shows that the bleeding site is very close to you, the rectum or anus. The blood has not had time to change. Dark red, plum-colored blood, or blood mixed in the stool. Darker colors indicate that the blood has had a longer journey. From higher up in the colon. Black, tarry stools. This is the most serious warning. Sign indicating that the blood has been flowing for a long time and has completely decomposed, usually in the early colon or higher up. Regardless of the color, blood in the stool is never normal. It is a blood signature left by the tumor. Seeing blood is a change in the composition of the stool. This brings us to the most important and overarching clue, a change in the very nature of your daily routine. Sign 1. Any change in bowel habits. This is the master clue where all the other clues converge. It's a change in your body's usual rhythm. What's your normal? Once a day? Every other day? Whatever it is, be alert to any persistent and unexplained change. From regular to constipation, due to a tumor causing a narrowing of the bowel. From normal to diarrhea, due to a tumor causing inflammation and discharge. Intermittent chaos, a few days of painful constipation, then suddenly uncontrollable diarrhea. This is a classic sign of a partial obstruction. A change in bowel habits is the ultimate summary of everything that is happening: mechanical obstruction, chemical disruption, and physical damage. It is the most comprehensive and clear message your body can send. Conclusion: act early. Protect yourself. Don't let small signs go unnoticed and cost you your health, even your life. Colorectal cancer is completely curable if detected early. After all the signs just shared, the most important thing you can do right now is to take action, even if it is just a small step. A regular checkup, a conversation with your doctor, or simply listening to your body more closely every day can all make a big difference to your health and life. Thank you for watching the video until the end. We hope this information will help you and your loved ones raise health awareness, especially in the early detection of colorectal cancer, a disease that can be prevented and treated if given timely attention. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell to always update useful health videos from Healthy Care. If you find the video valuable, please like, comment, share your thoughts, and share this video with your loved ones. Who knows, you might save someone's life with just one share. See you in the next videos. Wishing you good health, peace, and living every moment with your family.